Hi there, this is 626. We're looking at systems of linear inequalities, and we're doing word problems, and we're just going to worry about setting up equations because, truth be told, the whole question takes an awful long time to do, but I have faith that once you have the equations, you're going to be fine. So let's take a look. There's 3 examples here, and we'll see how we do. A company makes 2 types of boats on different assembly lines, aluminum fishing boats and fiberglass bow riders. When both assembly lines are running at full capacity, a maximum of 20 boats per day can be made. The demand for fiberglass boats is greater than the demand for aluminum boats, so the company makes at least 5 more fiberglass boats than aluminum boats every single day. So A is number of aluminum boats. F is equal to number of fiberglass boats. So we know a maximum of 20 can be made. So we take our aluminum plus our fiberglass. It's going to be less than or equal to 20. Right? Because we can make up to 20 per day. Now the demand for fiberglass is greater than the demand for aluminum. So the company makes at least 5 more fiberglass boats than aluminum boats every day. So this is where you have to pay attention. So if we go aluminum plus 5 is less than or equal to fiberglass. So hold on, my dog is bugging me, so I am just going to, sorry, had a little puppy issue. Had to go deal with it. Okay, so anyway, here's the other variable. A, the aluminum boats plus 5 more is going to be less than or equal to fiberglass. So fiberglass is the one you have the most of, and it has to be 5 or more. So usually, excuse me, end up putting the number with the smaller of the 2. And those would be the 2 that you would graph. And if you want to look it up, that's one of the examples in the textbook. All right, next one. Nursery school serves morning and afternoon snacks to students. The morning snacks are fruits and vegetables and juice, and the afternoon snacks are cheese and milk. All right. The school can accommodate 50 students or fewer altogether. Students can attend for just the morning or a full day. The morning snacks cost $1 per student per week, and the afternoon snacks cost $2 per student per week. And the weekly snack budget is $120 or less. So if you were setting this up, who do you need to count? What do you need to count? Well, you need to count A is, nope, not A, let's go morning. Students. And what are we going to call the other ones? We'll call them F, full day students. And it says the school can accommodate 50 students or fewer. So if we take the morning guys, plus the ones that attend for the full day, that has to be less than or equal to 50. 50 or fewer. So this total is less than or equal to 50. And then our second equation has got to do with their money. So my morning people, my morning snack kids, cost $1 for every morning plus, and this is the tricky part on this question, the afternoon snack is $2. But if kids come for the full day, they don't just get the afternoon snack, they get the morning snack too. So that's going to give me 3 times my full days. So there's the cost per week. Oops. Sorry, lost a word there. And that has to be less than or equal to 120. Okay, so we have one about the number of students, and then there's the cost for students. And the trick again on that one is the full day kids. $1 for the morning and $2 for the afternoon. All right, last one. All of these are from the text. And if you want, you can, of course, look them up in chapter 6, in section 6.2, 6.3. Some of them are examples and some of them from questions, but the answers are all there. Staff cafeteria making 2 kinds of salad, egg salad and ham and cheese. A maximum of 450 sandwiches are going to be needed. Based on previous demand, there should be at least twice as many ham and eggs or ham and egg cheese as egg salad. Well, what do we care about? Exactly. So we'll go E is the number of egg sandwiches. And C, does that look like a better E? Number of ham and cheese. All right, well, what do we know? Maximum of 450 sandwiches. So if we take the egg sandwiches, plus we add the cheesy sandwiches, it's going to be less than or equal to 450. Okay, let's do this. Sorry, E's and C's are looking too close together for me. Now we need to make twice as many ham cheese sandwiches as egg salad. So I always start with the one I have the biggest amount. I need at least this much. So that's going to be greater than or equal to 2 eggs. Confession time. This setup when we have twice as much always drives me a little loopy. So I'm just going to do a test. Because I can never remember where the 2 should go with the cheese and which way that sign should go. So let's make it up. We need at least twice as many ham and cheese. So if I have 10 ham and cheese, and I have 2 egg, does that fit what I'm saying? Do I have at least twice as many ham and cheese as I do? Yes, because twice my eggs would just be 4. Now, if we put the numbers in here, if I go 10 is greater than or equal to 2 times 2, 10 is greater than or equal to 4, it works. So that's one way to double check your things, is think about what it would look like, twice as many, and then just make up some numbers and make sure it works in your equation. So I'm actually going to get rid of this because when people look at my answer key, they're going to wonder what all that stuff is. You don't need that. But you guys got the extra cool little Easter egg because you watched the video. All right, done like dinner. Egg salad anyway?